Hello Abuti. Hello Sisi.
Sawubona sisi.
Sawubona Abuti.
Sanibona bantwana.
What are we learning today?
Ngiya.
Oh, we're learning how to say I go somewhere in isiZulu. Sisi, how do we say I go to the hospital?
Ngiya esibhedlela.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When you say I go somewhere in isiZulu, you start with ngiya. And because you're going somewhere, the word changes a little bit. So isibedlela becomes esibedlela. Let's look at some more examples. Abuti, how do we say I go to the store?
Ngiya esitolo.
And how do we say I go to school?
Ngiya esikoleni.
That's easy. And how do we say I go to church?
Ngiya esontweni.
So isibedlela changes to esibedlela. And isitolo changes to esitolo. Isikole changes to esikoleni. And isonto changes to esontweni. You see how easy it is? And now you can say I go somewhere in isiZulu.
Salani kahle.